Welcome to Bellevue, Kentucky. I'm here with Mary Casper to learn more about the history of the Bellevue Baptist Church. Mary is a lifelong resident of Boone County, and her family's been members of the church for 10 generations. Could you share a little bit more about when the church was established and about the building?
Bellevue Baptist Church was established in 1803. The 23 founding members were a group from Bulletsburg Baptist Church. They wanted to establish a church a little closer to their home because most of them walked miles to church every week. The church was established and called Middle Creek Baptist Church at that time. It was relocated to this spot when a storm destroyed the initial building in the late 1800s. The building that we're here in front of today was built in 1903, and they changed the name to Bellevue Baptist Church. This was the church sanctuary. There was also an addition in 1966 of the educational building and a new sanctuary over here added in 2012. It's listed on the Survey of Historic Sites in Kentucky, and it's on the National Register of Historic Places. Come inside and I'll show you some of the artwork.
This is a really nice space, and this was part of the 1903 building and was the sanctuary. But what I really noticed about this room is this focal point. Can you tell us a little bit more about this piece?
The baptistry was painted by local artist Mary Amanda Moore in 1949. The painting is painted directly on linoleum. She also created several other baptistries for churches in Boone County. Before 1949, baptisms at this church were done outside, either in the creek nearby or in the river.
There have been other artists that have honored Bellevue Baptist Church through sketches and art. What is the sketch that you're holding now?
This is a copy of a Caroline Williams pen and ink sketch of the Bellevue Baptist Church. She was a freelance artist. She sketched many other buildings in northern Kentucky and in Cincinnati.
You also have artists within the church.
The one that you're holding was done by MMA Rogers. It is her version of the Ten Commandments. She used colored pencil. This painting of the Bellevue Baptist Church is oil painting on wood done by my mom, Karen Scott.
Mary, you were saying there are really some other interesting things here at the church. Can you show us?
The old church bell dates back to the 1880s. It was likely transported here by steamboat. In 1989, the bell tower had some repairs done and a new system of electronic chimes was added. In the early 2000s, it was upgraded and it now plays at noon and 6 p.m. We once had visitors come all the way from Arkansas to hear the bells after they saw a video online, and we can still ring the old bell by hand, and I can show you that.
Mary, thank you so much for letting us come and share the history of the Bellevue Baptist Church with us. Do you have any closing remarks you'd like to make?
Many of the church's descendants still attend here 200 years later, and we've welcomed many more along the way. Some of my best history teachers have been members of the church who took the time to pass on its legacy to keep the story alive, and I hope to do the same.
Can you tell us where we can find out more about the history of the Bellevue Baptist Church?
You can find more information at the Bellevue Baptist Church website, and also there is a church history book available at the library.
It's called Lively Stones, and you can find it at the main library in the local history department. And there are also digital resources online about the Bellevue Baptist Church. Join us at the Boone County Public Library to find out more.